I want to be very festive in this part of the video. I got these little heart-shaped headband from Walmart. It's so cute. Isn't that so cute? And then it lights up. And you just turn it off if you don't want it. There's a little switch right here. So what it is, y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakeshia, and in today's video it is Valentine's somewhat theme that I wanted to do. So I've been told to pack my bag for a weekend, and I'm already at the location because I wanted to do the packing portion. So I said I might as well just go ahead and unpack it, but show you guys what all I pack in my bag. So I have two bags since it's Valentine's Day color theme. So of course I have my red MCM tote. It's only right that I show this. So that's my personal bag. And then I also have my oldie but goodie Victoria's Secret weekend bag. This is going to be my check bag because the items that I had brought were full size. So what happened was I was talking over with my cousin Destiny to do Valentine's Day video, like what should I do, because nobody had said to do a shower routine. But then of course I had got a comment about a shower routine, so I was like, oh, okay, well I'll just combine the two together. Then my friend texted me saying, hey, I want to see you. And I'm like, okay, well, how you plan to see me if you're in your location and I'm in my location? And he was like, oh, I'm gonna fly you out. Get flued out for the weekend.
Bitch trying to get flued out for the weekend.
Okay then. So, you know, I took the offer. But that is basically it. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I am packing inside of my bag. So I have my AirPods, so I gotta listen to music. I have these two champagne flute type glasses. They're plastic. I got these from the dollar store. It has a little heart shape on it, and they're red stems. As I mentioned, since I was doing Valentine's Day, I had came across these red hearts at Walmart. I got 2 packs. It's 4 inside of each one. So I got Burt's Bees Be Mine. That's for orange strawberry scents. I have the strawberry body scrub from Tree Hut, and then I came across the strawberry cheesecake body cream. So that's my lotion, but I don't want to use this lotion. Of course I have my Jergens original scent cherry almond. Also tagging along my robe I got from Victoria's Secret. Also got my pajamas, so this is my bra, and then these are my shorts. I have my undergarments. I'm not going to show that again. And then I also have my outfit that I'm wearing back home, which is just some sweatpants and a shirt because yeah. I also have my face cloth, and then I also have my body towel, dry my body off with. Then I have my face scrub, and then like I said, I don't do a lot of products. I know I have sensitive skin, so I just stick to my Fenty skin products, which is what I was using in my purple shower routine. So I'll be throwing these in the bag as well. I have my first aid kit, so then of course you can't forget your wet ones, forget your Lysol. So I'm putting all my little small knickknacks inside of that, like my Lysol, my wipes, my solution for my contact case. I'm gonna put my lip balm inside of the first aid kit. A toothpaste. This is Colgate. I have my Colgate toothbrushes right here. I couldn't find a red one that was reasonable. All of the toothbrushes that were single, they were like $4 or $5, and I was like, I can get this 4-pack and it's $2.50. So I'm gonna get this one, in my opinion. But do what you do, judge your mom. So we're on the topic of toothbrushes. I have my ACK mouthwash, but then I had got the Listerine packs. Then I also have my Glamaholic bag. I put my perfumes inside of this one. The classic pink sugar, the Brazilian Fresh 68, Eden Juicy Apple. Body oil, you know, I'm not gonna say the word, but you can read this. If you know, you know, honestly. Then I also have my bonnets. Both are from Pretty Bonnets, as you can see on the packaging right here. I have my Dove deodorant. Then I also have my other toiletry bag. Since it's red, I said it's only right that I use this. So I'm gonna be putting all my other knickknacks inside, so like that. Ooh, I wonder if my mouthwash can fit. It fits. Ooh, girl, it fits, y'all. Let's zip that on up. So I'll be putting that in there. I got the shoulder, I have my deodorant in there. I got my lotion, put that in this one. Both of them actually. So that's all that's in here. Then I also have my slides. Aren't these so cute? I don't know what it is with me in these fuzzy shoes, but I love them. Like, look at that. But yes, I have my fuzzies. I also have my water shoes, but they're not red, so I might not show it because it's not color coordinated. Also, you need gum when you're on the flight. You also need a pen because you never know if you have to write something down. Like, for instance, if you get the tag for your bag. That reminds me, somebody stole my hands-off luggage tag when I went on a cruise with Kim. Finally used it and somebody stole it from me. And in Miami at the airport, like, I don't know what happened, you know, when it goes through the belt. I'm guessing that's when somebody stole it, because yeah, but whatever. And then, you know, you're also gonna have a little snack, so I also got a Rice Krispie treat. And then of course I have my camera, even though I'm recording on my other camera, but I also have my vlogging camera that I did an unboxing for Vlogmas. Check that video out, it'll be in the cards as well. And then I'm also bringing my tripod and my ring light, my camera bag that my mom got me for Christmas. Then I also have my phone charger, and then yeah, that should be everything at this point. But yes, so yep, I'll talk to you guys in the next clip.